This 2024 Entegra Coach Accolade XL 37K is a Super CRV. It is located in Huntsville, Alabama 35816 and is offered for sale by Bankston Motorhomes of Huntsville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Entegra Coach is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, Slideout, and 72 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bath and a half, bunk over cab, outdoor entertainment, rear bath. This 2024 Entegra Coach Accolade XL 37K is built on a Freightliner S2RV chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.